Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammy, but you can call me Chef T. Today we are gonna be doing something simple and easy. We are making what? A salad. We're making a simple salad recipe today. I know a lot of people are like, oh, salad, I ain't got time for that. It's only for healthy people. I don't like salad. See, salad can be fun. It depends on how you make it and what you use to make it. You can have salad for brunch, for lunch. Some people even have it for dinner. And you can tweak the recipe as much or as little or as extravagant as you want. It just depends on your taste. Today, the star of my salad is what? This smoked turkey. Can you guys see? I'm gonna be using smoked turkey in this salad recipe, and I have all my ingredients here which I'm going to be showing you. Just stay tuned to the end of this video and watch I make this lovely, healthy, affordable salad. Right here I have a list of my ingredients that I'm going to be using for my salad, which I'm going to put on my screen right now. And then I'll proceed to slice my already washed lettuce. I just washed it and they are very clean. So I'm going to slice the lettuce into tiny little bit. Just make sure you don't cut your hand in the process and be careful while slicing your lettuce. This makes it easy for you to be able to eat your salad. I'm going to proceed to put my salad into the bowl that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. They're already chopped finely. So right now I'm simply gonna be cutting part of this smoked turkey that we are gonna be using for my salad. My hands are already washed and clean, so I'll cut this into smaller bits. And then I will set them aside. I'm just making a salad for two, so I'm not going to be using a whole lot of this one. Ooh, but the smoked turkey in this recipe smells absolutely amazing. Ooh. I'm gonna cut up all my ingredients. So I think I have enough smoked turkey for my salad. So I'm gonna put that in this plate and set it aside. While I'm gonna keep the rest of this for later. Then next I'm gonna take my cucumber and cut it into half. I'm gonna cut it into half like this so I can take out the seeds of the cucumber. We don't want to be eating seeds in our food. So we are gonna deseed the cucumber. Okay. And set that aside. So my cucumber is all deseeded now, and then I'm gonna be cutting this into squares. So I already have my chopped lettuce for my salad. I'm gonna be adding the cucumber to it almost straight away. Ooh, see, as you can see, I'm adding my cucumbers to my already sliced lettuce. tomatoes. This type of tomatoes, they call it cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes because they are very little and they are very, very easy to cut into things like salad, pastas, and you know, whatever else. So we don't use the normal regular big tomatoes. I'm gonna add them to my chopping board. I'm gonna just chop up some. Sometimes I love chopping them a little bit, you know, tinier because I'm a very, very picky eater. So you can chop them according to what you like. So I'm chopping my tomatoes into the salad to give it that colorful look. My salad is already coming together. I promise you guys, when you taste this salad, you are gonna wanna be eating a salad every other day because it is not only healthy, it is actually tasteful. So as you can see, I have my tomatoes here. I think that is about enough tomatoes. So I'm gonna be adding this to my salad. Ooh, look at how colorful it is. So I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of onions, not too much because not everybody is a fan of onions in the salad, but I love onions. I love onions. So I'm gonna be adding onions to my salad. Yeah, I think that's enough onions. So next one, I have some sweet corn, which I'm gonna be adding to my salad. Oh, this is good. Next, I have my cranberry. I have my dried cranberry, as you can see. So I'm gonna be adding some cranberry. This will give it that sweetness that you need in the salad. Oh my god, this is looking pretty nice. Next, I'm gonna be adding some cheese to it. I'm using some mozzarella cheese. Be adding my smoked turkey. Oh, I love smoked turkey. Let me have a taste. Hold on. Oh my god. I'm gonna be adding my smoked turkey to my salad. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yeah. I'm pretty much excited for this food because why not? Pretty good mix together. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, that looks wonderful. And lunch is ready, can you see? I'm happy, can you see? So I'm gonna make my dressing now. For my dressing today, I'm gonna be using something very, very simple, light. I'm gonna have a bit of olive oil. As you can see, I already sectioned my salad into like a smaller portion. That is enough. I'm gonna be using a bit of black pepper. I'm gonna be using garlic salt just to give it a little bit of taste, and then I'm gonna have a little bit of lemon juice. I am going to be adding to mozzarella. I'm gonna add the lemon juice directly on the salad, so you know, could give it that taste. Lemon juice is messing up. Yeah, gotta get that out. So yeah, the lemon juice, yeah. That is messy. Ooh. And then I'm gonna pour it all over my. That is the end of my video, and I have my beautiful salad here, and I'm gonna have a taste because why not? Oh my god. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. That is amazing. This is gonna be my lunch for today. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below what you would like to see in my next video. I love suggestions, I love feedback. Please like this video, give it a good thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification so that they can notify you whenever I drop a video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take it right out of me.